Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the strong LEAP-S1. With this receiver, we get access to more than 5,000 applications directly on our television via Google Play Store. It's an Android television box with the latest Android version. 4K Ultra HD is possible. These are 3840 to 2160p. In this little device, there is a built-in quad-core Cortex and A53 with 1.8 GHz. Remote control with the Bluetooth and voice control. It access to apps, games, streaming services, and of course, more. We connect Strong's Android television box LEAP-S1 to upgrade our television to a smart television with direct access to the Google Play Store. Equipped with the latest Android version, it is Google certified and gives access to numerous apps, games, streaming services, and more. We enjoy our favorite movies directly from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or Disney+. The LEAP-S1 also comes with the must-haves such as 4K Ultra HD resolution, H.265 decoding, Wi-Fi 5 dual band, Chromecast function, and more. With the fully featured Google Assistant, we can control playback, play or resume television shows and movies with voice command, and get answers to driver questions. 2 USB ports, a Bluetooth 4.2, microSD card slot, HDMI, and an Ethernet port. Makes our television experience easy, complete, and of course user-friendly. It's really easy. This is an Android television box which is certified by Google with the latest Android version. Dolby Atmos pass-through. Convenient listing and navigation of content and apps, starting with Android television recommend content. The read resolution is up to 4K. Convenient remote control with Bluetooth and voice control function. The built-in Google Assistant OK Google to quickly find the latest blockbusters and more. Google Chromecast for streaming HD movies from our mobile phone to a television screen. Video streaming from the internet. Simple download and install of apps from the Play Store with individual sorting. And access to apps, game stream service, and more via the Google Play Store. It supports Dolby Digital and Dolby Digital Plus. It connects to other devices and share data via Bluetooth. Sharing of digital media between multimedia devices is possible. And with one USB 2.0 port and one USB 3 port for playback. Software updates through the internet and via external USB devices are possible. It supports MPEG-4, H.264 AVC, H.265 HEVC, 4K Ultra HD. It supports high dynamic range with HDR. It supports HTML5. And connections are enough on this. And it's easy. Use the HDMI port to connect your television with that box. The HDMI cable is included. We can also use the AV port, the USB 2 port, the USB 3 port, and the LAN port, local area network, to get a patch cable to our router. Wired connection is possible. Or we use Wi-Fi. And of course we can use Bluetooth. We have an IR extended port. It works with 12 volt, 1 ampere DC, and the power adapter is included. And you can see then you have to make a little setup. You will need your Google account, or you will create a Google account. After this, you're ready. Your television is smart. After you make the setup, and then you are on the home screen. included a remote control. The remote control is really smart and easy designed. We can push on the right upper side the voice assist button. We can navigate right, up, down, left, and we have an enter button, and of course a hotkey for 2 different Netflix and Prime Video apps. Easy peasy. This is awesome because this makes your little older television, which does not support smart television, to a smart television. It transforms this easily. And the only thing you have to do is dock in position, make a setup, and then of course you can start with a strong LEAP-S1 receiver. And then we get access to more than 5,000 apps directly on our television via the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.